Hi guys, Cynthia here, and today, I will be putting the garden grids in the beds, and I will also be putting in the two Oyas that need to be put in. I have to put in an Oya in the back bed there and the garden grid, and then I have to put in an Oya in one of the beds here. The other two beds still need Oyas, but I haven't. I can't put them in. These have the tulips in them, which I have to pull out here soon. And then the other one has the garlic in the corner there. And I will do that when the garlic is over. I'll put an Oya there and do all the things. So I don't have very much time today. So it's going to be kind of a quick video. We're going to go ahead and do that. And I'm also going to put these little basket cages things over the seedlings that I started. Well, I don't know if I can. Maybe just in the back one. I don't know actually. I'm looking at how large these are, and the beds have onions in them, so I don't know if I can do that. Okay. Either way, we're gonna put in the Oyas and we're gonna put in the garden grids. Look at you guys. My unagi cucumbers came up. The other cucumbers have not yet, but that's really awesome. Let's check everything else just for fun. Here I have, let's see, anything. No, nothing. Oh, yes, you guys look. My my one of my watermelons is coming up. Two of them are actually. You can see them. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. That's great. The tropical sunshine has nothing, but the other one does, which is great. Oh my goodness, look it. My cantaloupe is up here. So that's great. No sugar baby watermelon yet. Oh, how exciting. Over in this bed, no pumpkin, no pumpkins. I see no pumpkins yet. Oh, actually, is that a pumpkin seedling? I think it is. I don't know because I also planted a bunch of marigolds, so we'll have to wait till it grows. Okay, now let's do some work. So you all know that I do not have any irrigation back here in this garden. It's very far from my house, but I love to supplement. Hey, a seedling. We'll get rid of that. I love to supplement watering my garden with Oyas, and it really works really, really well for me. And I also love these gardening in minutes grids. They make it really easy. So when I bring the hose back here, it is super simple. Ooh. Anyway, this one is quite a large Oya. So I got to dig a big hole, and I have to be very careful with my little seedlings. I probably should have done all the things I'm doing today prior to my seedlings. I was honestly hoping that they weren't up yet, which is silly. I mean, I'm glad that they're up. But I was hoping that I can just, you know, put all the things in and the seedlings would kind of grow around it. That's okay. Today it is about 59 degrees. So it's a beautiful day to be outside. And of course, it's the day I don't have much time. This is my last weekend of the show that I'm performing in, and I have to be at the theater in about 3 hours. So I don't have much time. I did not consider Oyas when I when I filled this bed to the brim. I completely forgot about that. That's okay. This is a very large one. This is a 4x4, and this bed is a 4x2. And I got these large ones here because I think I just wanted that to have like no issue with any kind of watering. The soil is extremely moist the deeper I get, uh, which is quite nice. Come on. Uh-oh. I just don't want to disturb the soil around the seedling. Um, this could be dug in deeper, and I probably should. Should I? No, I'm not gonna, you guys. I'm not gonna. I don't think, and I think there's like a piece of wood down there, so I don't know if I can, even if I wanted to. Look at that. How beautiful. I should probably get some straw and put some straw around my seedlings, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that also, just to protect them. There we go. Wow, there's a lot of soil in this bed. That's okay. Look at that, you guys. I love to garden. This is so much fun. Ah, Isn't it crazy that we get to play in the dirt? It's so fun. Okay. Now, I did not have gardening in minutes in this bed last year, so got to be very careful. Oh, it's perfect, I think. Yeah. That's why I love gardening in minutes. You can literally get it to fit your bed down to the inch, which is wonderful. The only thing that's making it weird is that my Oya, I should have probably put the grid in and measured where the Oya was, but that is okay. Look at that, you guys. What a gorgeous, gorgeous gal. We love it. Let's move this up a little bit. There we go. That's better. That's, oops. No, it's gonna have to be closer to the back here. Oh, I love it. Perfect. And just like that. And I am going to do some irrigation back here. And what I mean by that is I'm going to connect these two beds together and so on. Or maybe these two beds together and those two beds together so that when I put the hose on, they kind of together, if that makes sense. You know what psh means? Water, of course. I think I was going to try and put this grid on that bed with the garlic. I don't want to ruin the garlic though. So I may have to pass on that, which kind of stinks. That kind of stinks. And I should probably go get a smaller Oya for this bed over here because this is a 3x2. And I bought the 4x4 Oya for that bed, but I really should only use a 2x2 because, you know, that's a waste. And I could use the other 4x4 here. Yeah, I think that's the plan. Okay, yeah, let me go get the smaller Oya and what else? You guys, I don't know, all over the place. Oh, and then we'll put the grids on, and I might go ahead and pull all of these out. Even though I have this here, I don't think I'm going to do any sweet peas in this, but I'm going to do the sweet peas in a barrel. But I think I'm going to put my dahlia in here, maybe, or even my artichokes. Now, it is a 3x2. I could and probably should do a bigger Oya, but quite frankly, I'm not going to do that because I have that other bed over there that's a 4x2 that once the garlic is out, I will go ahead and throw that Oya in there. So it seems wasteful. And if I put something that may not need too much water in here, then it doesn't need a huge Oya. Alrighty. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Should it be a little deeper? Yeah, I'm gonna do it here, deep like an inch. You guys, I looked up and my camera stopped filming. Strange. You missed nothing. I just put the Oya in the soil, which you saw me do in the last bed. So that's good. Okay. Perfect. I think I'm going to need another Oya. I don't know which one. Oh, I'm gonna face the watering. So this is where you hook the hose up. I'm gonna face it this way. So my plan is to hook up each garden bed together. So I'm going to do the two in the front, the two in the back together, and then these two together so that when I connect them with the watering hose, it'll be an easier process. And then I am also going to get an irrigation system for back here, and then I'm going to connect all of the barrels. That's the plan anyway, so that I only have to like hook up the hose maybe 4 times total, which is great. That'll be so much easier. Let's see here. Oops, I want to break that. I remember to put my Oyas a little off center because of the grids. Wait, how am I going to do this without messing this up? I may have to move the Oya. Yep, I'm going to have to move it just a hair this way. Forgetting about the grid itself. That's a little bit more to the side, I believe. Let me check. Oh, 100%. That's so much better. Okay. I might do my artichokes in here. I don't know yet, you guys. There's so many possibilities. That's good. It's a little tight, but I think that's because yeah, the way I built this bed. I built this bed, so it's not exactly perfect. But that is okay, because a watering grid is a watering grid. And I don't think I could have gotten any smaller, or I would not have one. Oh no, it's perfectly fine. Look at that. That's perfect, guys. Okay, now I have some berry tone because I need to quickly fertilize all of my berries. And we're gonna do that together right now. I was gonna pull these out, but I wanna replant them in the back garden and I don't have the time for that. So let's just quickly, we're just gonna throw some fertilizer in those 3 beds and then my strawberry bed. Okay, so a quick recap. You guys saw me do a bunch of things. We went ahead and we fertilized the trees and the berries, which I did very late, and that's okay. I did go ahead and put the cages on the ones that were safe enough to put cages. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put that garden grid in. You guys can see that I just don't wanna ruin my garlic. So I'm gonna hold off on that for a second. And then I have to remove all of these before I put in that grid. But we put in that grid, we fertilized everything else, you guys. We put the Olla'S in. I feel really good. But I do have to rip those out. And I could. And I honestly, they were so cheap that, and I bought them to rip out. So I'm not exactly sure why I'm being like a weird baby about it. I don't know why I feel like I have to replant them when that was never the plan. I should just rip them out and throw them away. But I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna. But I'm really pleased with the fact that my seedlings are coming up, you guys. Everything is just doing really, really, really well. All right, you guys, I am gonna leave the video here because I have to get ready to perform. But I'm really excited that we were just able to get this quick little task done. Every task matters. It's something to check off. I'm super late at fertilizing this year, my trees and my berries, which is disappointing, but it is part of life. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. If you like the video, please like it. It helps me out a lot. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I'd love to have you. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow. Thanks for watching.